In fashion stores around the world, new clothing collections appear almost constantly. A design seen one week may arrive on shelves just a few weeks later. Customers browse racks filled with fresh styles that seem to change every time they visit. This speed is not accidental. It is the result of a carefully engineered system. Zara. On the surface, Zara looks like a global clothing retailer selling trendy apparel at accessible prices. Stores display new collections frequently, attracting customers who expect constant change. But behind the storefront lies one of the most responsive supply chains in the retail industry. Traditional fashion operated on long production cycles. Designs were created months in advance. Manufacturers produced large quantities of clothing. Products were shipped to stores in seasonal collections. If demand changed, companies often had excess inventory. Zara approached the industry differently. Instead of predicting trends far in advance, the company built a system that reacts quickly to real-time demand. This is where the strategy becomes powerful. Zara produces smaller batches of clothing and updates collections frequently. Design teams monitor store sales, customer preferences, and emerging trends. Information flows directly from stores back to design and production teams. If a particular style sells quickly, production can increase. If demand fades, the company moves on to new designs. This reduces the risk of overproduction, but speed alone is not enough. The entire supply chain must support rapid production cycles. Zara built manufacturing operations closer to its core markets compared to traditional fashion companies that rely heavily on distant suppliers. This proximity reduces shipping times and allows faster adjustments to production schedules. Inside production facilities, clothing moves quickly from design to manufacturing. Cutting, sewing, and finishing processes operate in tightly coordinated workflows. Instead of producing massive seasonal volumes, the system prioritizes speed and flexibility, but distribution plays an equally important role. Finished products move through centralized logistics centers where items are sorted and shipped to stores around the world. These distribution hubs operate continuously. Garments arrive, are processed, and leave for stores within short time windows. Stores receive new inventory frequently, sometimes multiple times per week. This creates a dynamic retail environment. Customers know that products may not stay available for long. If they delay a purchase, the item might be replaced by a new design. This encourages faster buying decisions. Yet the system continues evolving. Digital integration connects physical stores with online platforms. Inventory systems track product availability across locations. Data flows between stores, warehouses, and production facilities in near real time. This allows the company to coordinate global operations with precision. But the fast fashion model also introduces challenges. Rapid production cycles require constant coordination across design, manufacturing, and logistics. Supply chains must remain flexible while maintaining efficiency. Competition across the fashion industry continues intensifying as brands adopt similar strategies and invest in faster production systems. Even so, Zara built a distinctive model. Short production cycles, frequent inventory updates, and a supply chain designed for speed rather than volume. From the outside, Zara appears to be a clothing retailer offering new styles every week, but beneath the racks lies a logistics machine. Design teams responding to real-time demand, factories producing small batches quickly, distribution centers moving products across global networks, and stores constantly refreshing inventory. Fashion once followed seasonal calendars, now it moves continuously. And Zara built one of the systems that made that shift possible.